Hi, in the last lecture we talked about image tag. Now further we see in image tags attribute. So first one we talk width. Width is an attribute that adjusts the width of image. Suppose I write here 100 pixels and save it. Here I refresh. So you can see it. Our width is now small because we set here width 100 pixel. Height. Next one is height attribute. If I write here 100 pixel height same as width. Now I refresh here. So you can see here now its height is bit small. There are many other attributes of image tag. The basic one of these two. In this video we talk about forms in HTML. Forms are very important that submit user data for your website, that interact with user. Any query, any message that your user want to submit you through the forms. So now I remove here this image tag and write forms tag. Save it and here I refresh. Now this is blank. So first one I write here form tag. As I write form and hit enter, the closing tag is automatically in Sublime Text Editor. In form, we write our form elements. So if I write here input, input is the main tag in form. I save it and refresh. So you can see here there is an input tag in which I write here data for submission. Now input tag has many attributes. The first one is type. Type is a main attribute that tells the browser what form's input is here. So I write here text. Now I write here any text that I want. So there are many input types here. So first I write here simple username that clearly understand what we talk and refresh here. So you can see here our username is printed. Now I write it here in a paragraph tag. Paragraph tags are used for paragraph. Now we write here text in paragraph, so I write p tags here. Save it and refresh. So this is in p tag. I write also it in paragraph. So first I write here p tag and in p tag I type input. Now I check here check box. I write here check box. Save it and if I refresh, so you can see here now checkbox is here. If I click on it, there is a check. These are normally used in which you select more than one choices or in login forms. So simply I type here stay login. So these are used for if you check here. So this is check your box. Now another attributes of checkbox, if I write here checked and save it, now I refresh, so this is by default checked because we write here checked. So now the next one I simply write here paragraph tag and now we talk about the radio button. Radio button also input attributes. I write here in type radio and save it, and if I refresh, so you can see here our radio button is here. So I simply write here mail. Now another tag, another radio button tag I write here for female. female and save it and refresh. So you can see here male and females both are here. So if I these are used for check for one. Ready buttons are used for to check one from the following. So if I write here, so you can see that both are checked because we do not link them. For linking, I simply write here gender and in the name also write here gender. These both same names identifies that these are two radio buttons are linked together. Now if I save it and here I refresh, so I check male button and now if I check female, there is a male unchecked. So these are the basic radio button tags. Now the next one I talk about select tag. Select tag is used for drop down menu. So if I write in p tag, because paragraph tags is best to manage the tags in input. So in p tag I write here simple input. Oh, sorry, I write here simple select tag. Select, and in select tag I write here option tag, in which we set our options what type I want in drop down menu. So if I write here in paragraph tag, write here favorite color and colon here. Now in option I write for red, copy it, paste it here, write for green, paste it here, write here yellow, and now I save it, and if I refresh, so you can see here our favorite color that right here in paragraph tags, and in select options we have these options. So if I click on it, you can see here red, green, yellow are in our drop down menu. If you select by default any one of these, if I select yellow on the top, because here red is in the top, because we here option 1 is red, I write here selected and save it, and if I refresh, so you can see here now our yellow tag, our yellow input is on the top because we write here selected tag. So this is the selected tag, that is the most important tags in HTML form. So now the next one and last one I talk about button. Button is used for submission or any click event that we implement on button. So if I write here input and type here I use for submit. Submit means that our data we put here, if I click on it, that is submit. I save it and refresh. So if I click on it, our data is submit. On this occasion, nothing has happened because that we see further in the next videos. So that is by default submit here. If I change it to value, I write here value and change here login and save it. Now if I refresh, so you can see here our login text is changed. So that is the basic forms tags that we see in this video. In the next lecture, we talk about more tags. So kindly like the video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.